Atariki ari mirongo iri na mugwanja mweri ari wa 10 mwaka wa 2023 ukire mwega nie ni ndagioka nigetha ngoro ngikumenyithia maria magithiete na mbere gukunuka guku bururi-ini ona nja wa bururi ona kuria iharo-ini no mbere ndayari andu kiambe wamukire mamwe wa maria tukuhaririirie. Mamwe wa maria tukuhaririirie ni ati
kwanza tunaona moto umetoka kitchen, lakini huko kitchen tunafanya uchunguzi tujue ni nini imesababisha hii moto.
Family githie na mbere gutara hathara thutha nyumba cia kuhia akaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga.
Nilijaribu kuzika nikakatashwa na jezi na tulikuwa tumefika mahali ya kusika. Anasema hapa hata ile tumezika tutatoa.
Mathiko okurugamio kurumirira aginishe mugoja isiolo.
We felt and believed again by that statement that issued that Meru is a warlike community.
Na abunge a Meru gukumithia uteti muru gatagati ka governor na MCA akwe. Ana mau no matemo itikira gukorwo kigucia njungwa yaku nigetha ngorwo ngikumenyithia mau na njira nyandanduku na witikire kwaraniria nani ku mwena wa Facebook ario muthingi TV no ukorwo kirorera ku mwena wa YouTube ario muthingi TV ni riakwa agiatika wa boy wa jao anatukirika mohoro-ini maitu indo cia mamilioni ma mbeca ni ciire na guthukangio ni mwaki uria gumeire au mwitura-ini ria Thumaita barabara-ini ya Thumaita aguthie Kagio kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga utuku wa gukia umuthi kurigana na aikari mwaki ucio urekwirwo gucungiririo ni thitima no edi mafitha a uthuthuria matiekirite ndeto ino mukonde mwene mucii ucio Peter Maina na uria ni murimi augite ati gutire mundu urari nyumba mwaki ucio agituthuka na riu agitigirwo hathara nene ya indo ciake.
Patrick Wachira kuni itura ritu wakindi kuambiririe ambiriria ne kumugambo era maonika mwakani ni mugambo andu matengera na kara me matengera ne ma content mwaki ni mahota kuhorio na koro ngaria mwaki ni akoro yakinya no ne makoro mahori mwaki na ne magukutura ri ye muno mwaki ugore ni mwana kwa gukweto somba na masini ya mai hura mai na tondu ru no gwethumirio mai makinya guku yambia kuhoria ngaria mwaki riuka mwaki mangoli ni ando itura maitura tondu mogire mbwana gutigiru kioyo kuothe tugamite kuria teburumiri methe-ini gwa mona gutigiru magekoma nakio ora gutigiru mari nakio othe twahoya mahoe toromuthi rucio roke aria mangehota kumateithiriria moke mucio mateithire mucio reketha mucio ni matu twakora guku giakana na ni twakora tumiteithire kuhoria na twahota kuihoria ciakora ciahia gutigiru twakora
nyumba era begora buro thimu na ni twokaine njetire na twatithane na raja gukuguo na mwaki ndagikeno ni wagora ndagikeno kiria turagira kuthuthuria ni kiumo kia mwaki ni kiriku no gya tungimenya mwaki woka tumenye tweke uthuthuria tumenye mwaki umire ku turona mwaki umite kitchen na mwaki kitchen indo ni ciabia muno kitchen na table room na kaito ni ciabia muno tondu gukona combustion material.
Kogeni ati President William Ruto ni etaririe wiheani wa thirikari hari gukuria miturire ya aikari a Garissa, Wajir o hamwe na Mandera niguo kwagirithia mihang'o ya ureithia wa mahiu gukwakiranira kugacirithia githomo kuona icigo icio nikoragwo itirikitwo na njira nene. President William Ruto ati ndumiriri ino ari thiini wa iregi na atongoria kuma kaunti-ini ya Garissa ningi akimerera ati thirikari ni kuhurana na ciiko cia uhaguku wa ugitiri.
tuungane ndio tupange mambo ya maendeleo ya taifa letu la Kenya. Kwa sababu sisi wote hapa kuchaguliwa ni kwa sababu wananchi wanahitaji viongozi wa kupanga vile nchi itasonga mbele. And that is the opportunity we all have as leaders. And so I want to ask all of you as leaders from Northern Kenya to work with me and work with this government so that we can deliver on the many issues that the people of Kenya expect us to deliver. To deliver on matters to do with infrastructure, mambo ya barabara tuko nazo, mambo ya maji mmesema, masomo ya watoto wetu, matibabu, ajira, all those things that we have an opportunity as leaders to do. Nimewasikiza
no aikari agicagi gia Kabishega kiria kiri wadi-ini ya Burego kore kaunti-ini ya Isiolo amare na ngucanio thutha wa mbiraro kuma cukuru wa jeshi wa gitiri kurugamia mathiko ma mutumia umwe uria ukiri na ukuru wa miaka 38 ni kiria kiritwo ni ngucanio cia mugunda iria cioyete kahinda karaihu. Mbiraro aya amaretia mugunda wa eka makiria ma 10,000 agatagati ka rũĩ rwa Lewa na rũĩ rwa Isiolo makienda guthamia makiria ma andu 20,000 cukuru cia muthingi 6 cia secondary 3 na thibitari 3 ni kiria marauga ni marenda kwararamia kambi yao ya kwambika mehaririria.
Wase imekuvia hapa na sisi tunamwambia ama wapi. Tunataka aliyese sisi pale tutaenda. Kwa sababu jeshi ni watoto yetu. Tunakubali kwa sababu hata kama hawaiko na linda hata sisi. Lakini kulinda mahali sisi natoka na mambia dokeni. Mahali tunakaa dokeni. Watoto sasa iko nafanya mitihani. Na sisi wenyewe tunakaa baribari na mnayo tunasema sasa tutafanya nini?
Nilikuwa na shida, mimi ndio nilikuwa nateswa na hii kaburi hii sababu ya hiyo mama alifariki kwa sababu alikuwa Muislamu. Nilijaribu kuzika nikakatashwa na jezi na tulikuwa tumefika mahali ya kusika. Anasema hapa hata ile tumezika tutatoa. Sasa tunaomba Mheshimiwa Ndwale asa ajaribu uone kama area hii mtasaidika kwa sababu wananchi wako na maofu mingi sana wanachukua watahamishwa hii area.
Sisi kama wale ambaye tulijenga serikali yako ya UDA tumeona aibu sana. Na hiyo hatutakuficha, tutakwambia. Sisi tumeona aibu kama wale ambaye tuliamuka asubuhi tukiambia watu wakupigie kura. Sasa leo wakati ya Mheshimiwa Uhuru Kenyatta wewe ulikuwa deputy. Hii maneno tulikuwa tunakwambia. Wakati hiyo haukuwa na uwezo. Leo wewe ndio umebeba, wewe ndio amiri jeshi mkuu. Wewe ndio kila kitu kusema kwa jeshi. Mheshimiwa Rais, mimi nimechaguliwa na chama ya UDA. Mheshimiwa Lorota amechaguliwa na chama ya UDA. Sisi wote kama wananchi, ile watu walikuwa wanasema Aslas ndio wanahamishwa na jeshi leo. Na wewe ndio mkubwa ya jeshi. Mheshimiwa Rais, sisi tunakuomba sikia kilio ya watu ya Burat. Sikia kilio ya watu ya Ngaramara, hii vitisho wanajeshi wako naye kutoka leo. Mheshimiwa Rais, tangaza hii area kama ya education center. Tupewe title yetu. Sisi pia kama county ya Isiolo tuko na optional land. Tuko na ardhi ya kutosha.
Na tukithina mbere giko gya kumakania ni kihanikite kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga inori wadi-ini ya Mutithiriria anake eri marathiete rũĩ-inĩ rwa Ramuthambi na kuria maronire mwĩrĩ wa mũndũrũme wa miaka 38 ndurumo-inĩ ya Wanyimba. Anake acio eri ni marathire kuhora riboti kuri cifo na kuria munini wa cifo Christine Muthoni ni arikitie kana ni kirite uhoro uyu mukonde kuria augite ati giki ni giko kia mbere kuonekana.
Christina Gathoni wa Macharia na ni mimi munini wa civil itwareta kwa muthi visa profession ili watu nyagaro kisho ukita ha muthenya wa muthi ni ndu wa kunyita report kumutire kiroko-ini kwina mundu umwe ukoretwo akionekana thĩinĩ wa rũĩ rwĩtagwo rwa Mũthambi. Twarĩkia gũkinya ho hamwe na maabithaa borithi kuma cia Macini police station. Twakinya ho nĩ twahota gũkora mwĩrĩ ũcio wĩ hau rũĩ-inĩ na twahota kuoya mwĩrĩ ũcio na kũringana na riboti iria twamba kũnyita tũrerĩkana mũndũ ũcio aumĩte mwena wa Inoi location, mwena wa Betisa location thĩinĩ wa Kirinyaga Center. ye adora matukoro mari na mundu wa urite kana rigi maikara matuku maiki matamuonete no mageria muno makinyire CS wa ya Masiku police station ani makota kumenya mundu wa haria kwa wanjiri wa Gitonga ndari jari goko ndama kamuno kumya kera kaona takuti kikire myaka mingi muno ndora ni mundu munene ndo ndumite goko gutu goko na petu kamenya goko resi ya patukire na maili ikati nero ni wa mutwarire nonga gutio no tumikiri na usura kwanja nitokire goko twakorera mundu eruwe twamukora riini guturigiro kana ni mundu no ni wa Kirinyaga Central no ni kuria twarete tonu mundu utwa guku gitu rwe twara mutambe na kuikiti bandu betagwo wanyiba bunu twamonera wanyiba
na ministry ya githomo ni ambĩrĩirie kampeni ya ũhandi wa mĩtĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Kajiado ĩkĩrongoreria kũhanda mĩtĩ milioni 4 mathukuru-inĩ ma thirikari gũkinya mwaka kana gũkinyia mwaka mũico wa mwaka ũyũ. Kampeni ĩno ĩrongoreirie mathukuru ma thirikari ma thekondarĩ na maya ma mũthingi marĩa mena ithima cia maĩ nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra mĩtĩ ĩyo nĩ yakũra ũrĩa kwagĩrĩire na makĩria nĩguo kũhukia ũnyihu wa maĩ na mbura gĩcigo-inĩ kĩu.
Vile Mheshimiwa Rais anatuhimiza kila siku kwamba tupande miti, tumefurahi siku ya leo kwa sababu tunaendelea kuchangia zile mikakati za serikali za kuongeza forest cover katika nchi yetu. Tuko na uhusiano wa karibu sana Kenya Prisons, especially Kitengela Prison na hii shule. Maji ambayo yanatumika kwenye hii shule yanatoka kwenye gereza la Kitengela. Tuko na boreholes, kwa hivyo tutahakikisha kwamba hayo maji supply inaendelea ili hizi miche ambazo zimepandwa leo zikaweza kunawiri.
Ukiangalia kwa sasa tumekuwa na mipango kabambe kwa sababu yale miti tumeyapanda miche tumeyapanda ni kwa shule ambazo siko na boreholes na for this phase hatujategemea mvua kwa muda huu hatujategemea mvua kwa mipango zile tumefanya za kupanda hizi miche.
Ngala GK Prison for a tree planting exercise. As you are aware, we have a live presidential directive to plant 15 billion trees in the next 10 years, and this is part of the initiative. We are pleased to say that the focal point for this implementation of this initiative is within the educational institution.
Na riboti yo kuma Kajiado ni raikorwo kihekanyaga kwa kabere gaukorwo gigikiria ndakorwo githie kuraihu kuona ati ni ndiracokereria na mangĩ maingĩ.
Kiroto kiumanite na Ngai gikoragwo gigĩa kũguna mũndũ kĩũmbe. Jesu nĩgwendete wewe wakwa
ikalawa ni kwiyunga kamwe na mumo wa Ngai nakubo ino ni kwenda mulo
Lord, I lift your name on high.
kesho ni ile day, ni ile siku ya sababu you have a chance of driving home this fantastic Canter. Can you imagine all the things you can do with this vehicle? Kumbuka kucheza ni 99 bob or higher. Remember, the more times you play, the more chances you have of driving away this vehicle. Cheza sahi.
Unangoja nini? Cheza Lotto, it could be you. Nenda kwa M-Pesa paybill number 777-000. Andika neno Muthingi kama account number. Cheza na kati ya shilingi 50 hadi shilingi 2000 na ushinde sasa. Round hii ni more draws, more cash and big wins na Lotto.
Over 18s only. Gaming can be addictive. Play responsibly. This message has been approved by the BCLB.
Ure murimi munini na ni uravatara ngwataniro na nyumba ya Mohoro. Ihinda ni riri amu Muthingi TV ni irakuhe mweke wa kwanirithia kimenyithia niguo ukurie biashara yaku na njira nene. Tuhurire thimu kugerera kivugo 7 ithano 2 kana utwandikire email niyo sales@lookuptv.co.ke. ukatutume ndugu na tutirithanie hamwe amu ndugu ni makinya.
Gatha cia mwanyana ni twacokereria gukwari kwa Muthingi TV ikiri Gikunjuro kia Mohoro tugicokereria mohoro-ini maitu. Andu atatu niyo murigitani Mwaki Kirinyaga no rio tungatagira arwaru a thibitari ya Machakos level 5 ni manyitetwo ni ruhonge rwa devolution thutha wa kwiyera arwaru. Othe atatu ni kuria atumia mari ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Machakos. Minista wa ugima wa mwiri Dagitari Daniel Yumbuya nigite acio atatu ni mamukirite kana ni moretio marihe ciringi nuthu milioni o mundu ni thibitari yatigo nigana hari marihi maria marwaru akana arwaru acio marihite.
Kwa hapa Machakos police station kufuatia jambo ambalo limetendeka kwa hospitali mwenendo wa saa 12:30 hivi hii leo tumejulisha kwamba Bana Kioko ambaye ni mmoja wa relatives wa mgonjwa kwa hospitali alifika hospitali na akatoa pesa za ongo kwa Faith Yetumo, Janet Ngatia. Faith Yetumo ni kashia ako hapa, Janet Ngatia ambaye ni patient attendant na nurse anaitwa Felicitas Luke. So jinsi ambavyo mambo ilitendeka ni kwamba huyu patient attendant ndiye alikuwa mtu wa connection, akapewa 5,000. Mgonjwa hako na bili ya 10,800. Alafu sasa message ikakuwa edited. County government ya Machakos ilipata shilingi 100, lakini risiti ikatolewa 10,800 na tuko nayo. So mgonjwa alipokuwa akiepeshwa, hao security wa DU, na ningependa kuwasifu sana, wako hapa, wao waka intercept. Wakati wali intercept wakawajulisha wakubwa wa hospitali na wakamjulisha makatibu wote watatu, katibu wa ICT ambaye alikuwa kwa hospitali kwa shughuli za kikazi, katibu Mienda wa medical services na katibu Rashid ambaye ni wa infrastructure na director wa administration na director wa nursing. Hivyo basi hawa wameshikwa, wako hapa, wameletwa kwa police station.
Na na ishatoroke ginya kuria mwena wa Malindi kuria aikari ani magunikite ne thutha wa gwikirwa internet ya bure iria irekirirwo ni ruhonge rwa inet wakiri uguo nitanyitwo gukora giteithiriria arutwo gukorwo magithoma oro hamwe na aikari kugunika nayo ni magikorwo makihuthira mahuthiro-ini mao ma o muthenya.
I've been a citizen, or rather a resident of Malindi now for 34 years, and I've been crossing the streets of Malindi here and there. And it's come a time where now we are gathered here at the Museum Society here, at the Museum Column, House of Columns, and we are talking on provision of internet to the museum free of charge. And that's been done by our company, iNet Africa Limited. As you all know, today the word information technology, IT, is a very big thing. Nobody can ever say he can do without internet today.
So we've come to celebrate with them because we installed internet for this library as a way of giving back to the community. We do give back to the community by giving out what we have, and what we have is internet. So we've given internet here so that we can educate the future.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Anagetiyo kinene riu njitikiria gukorwo ngigutwara kuria iharo-ini na kugumenyithia ciana cia atumia anacio cirakigarika na tugiambiriria mbitĩka kana mathomo ma mbitĩka cia golf ni mambirie kuma tariki 24 nginyagia muthenya wa umuthi. Mathako maya ma golf maracuma kana marakorirwo amakirehe athaki 65 erita njira ya kumathomithia watho uhuthikaga mbitĩka-ini cia golf na maundu maingi megie muthako uyu.
The purpose of this seminar is to elevate the level of golf refereeing and tournament administration in general, a skill that we have not been able to spread as wide as we would have wished, simply because the available seminars could only be held either in Scotland at St Andrews or in South Africa. So this is the first time that we are holding the TAS seminar in Kenya, and it allows us to accommodate a lot more people that are interested in enhancing their rules knowledge and tournament administration knowledge. The beauty about those who graduate from this seminar is that we will now have a lot more skills available across different clubs on how to professionally run events and tournaments and how to manage and apply the rules of golf. So this is part of the union's program to develop the skills that our players and our officials have in addition to the level 1 and level 2 sessions and seminars that we've been running in the past.
Anayo timu ya arume kuma fegi ya KCB ni matoni mahotete gukora makiho magitetera uhotani wao miaka iri irumaniriire athutha kuhota timu ya fegi ya Diamond Trust abitikaine cia muthako kana bitikaine cia muthako abitikaine cia tennis ya irahanikaga iria kana bitika iria githakagwo cia Interbank Sports Competition na kuwa mwena wa Nyarari a fegi no ya KCB abitikaine cia volleyball marahota Nyarari a fegi ya Equity na points igiri kwa kwigwatira tigiti wa kwigireka kana wa tigiti okwe makigireka makana makigira ikireka-ini ria finals na ojaba cia fegi ya cooperative marahota fegi ya KCB na points igire kwa noti.
For the men's team, I think it was a rigorous training all the way, and even selecting the team was quite difficult. So the tournament was very tough. I think what we've experienced is that when we look at the last 3 years, the players, the level of play has really improved. So it was very, very competitive. And just starting with the round robin all the way to the semi-finals where we met Equity, it was a humbling experience when we beat them. Then today, of course, was the finals, and it was a grueling match. As you can see, it has ended being dark, so it was a very interesting match. So also being defending champions, of course, there was so much pressure on us, because when you're at the top, everybody just wants to beat you. So I think we can't, I mean, we are very, very grateful. We're just over the moon because we're the defending champions. We've retained the titles. We've beaten everybody in the tournament. But most importantly, I think we've had so much fun. So it can only get better even as we move forward.
For team, me, myself included, we have had a really good time interacting with other members of the same industry, interacting with players who love the game as we do. It's been a fun experience, and HR has been very, very supportive, supported us all through since we started our training today. So we really appreciate that, and we're looking forward for next year's tournament, where we hope to come out strong and take the league with us. To the other teams, I hope we get many more teams to reach the finals. We've been working closely with the volleyball, the female team. I'm almost sure they're going to take the #1 spot. They've put in the effort, and I'm hoping they get to take it. They're playing their semi-finals as we speak with, I guess, with corporate Equity, and I'm pretty sure they're going to win the semis and proceed to the finals. I would like to thank the management through HR Wellness. This whole experience and the support they've accorded us as the team players, it's been great. I feel much more closer and connected with the rest of our colleagues and also with the rest of the banks. So much shout out to them for the support, and we hope they keep on giving us such support to the next tournament.
Nake mutengeri Frida Lodepa ni yandikithitie mahinya-ini ma Standard Chartered Marathon maria ikereka ria 20 maria makahanika muthenya wa kiumia. Mahinya maya makambiriria mwena wa Southern Bypass na kurikiriria mwena wa Uhuru Gardens.
Thank you so much, the chair, Mr. Peter Gitau, and the rest of the marathon participants, Standard Chartered Marathon. Mary Kiarie, Traffic 2 Nairobi area, representing Traffic 1, Mr. Victoris Otieno, who is engaged in another duties. Today, I'm here just to enlighten you on road closure on that day. You'll be crossing Southern Bypass entrance and exit. That is, you'll be Standard Chartered Marathon, you'll be using Southern Bypass. And we'll be crossing that road in some areas as from 11 p.m. According to the chair and others from Standard Chartered, you had indicated at midnight. But for us, traffic to be sure, we'll be there by 11 p.m. By 11 p.m. is the time you'll be starting crossing. You'll be crossing the road at Kikuyu via bypass. At Kikuyu via bypass, that is Dagoretti Road interchange. And those who will be using that road from Karen Shopping Center, they will be using, the vehicles will use Dagoretti Road. They will use Dagoretti Road. And also we will be crossing the road at Mombasa Road via Southern Bypass. That is near Oreseren. We will be having a barrier there. And those vehicles that were intending to use that road, they will use Mombasa Road, and then along Waiyaki Way, and they can go all the way to Uhuru Highway. To use Mombasa Road through Southern Bypass, they will use Waiyaki Way. Waiyaki Way will be open all through, and Langata Road will be open all through. So all those diversion from Southern Bypass, they will be using either Waiyaki Way, Mombasa Road, or Uhuru Highway. But the closure will be from 11 p.m. and it will go up to the following day on 29 at 1:30 p.m. At 1:30 p.m., But in case of any other eventuality, we can extend. But our time given is 1:30 p.m. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ana ripoti iyo ya Standard Chartered Marathon iraikoro gituhingira Gikunjuro kia Mohoro gatho cia mwanya kuri we waikoro gitwarana na ithwe atucemanie nawe haha wona cienda wega thaa imwe cia hwaini atuthi na mbere kumenyithia maria andiki aitu maukoro matumatheire kuma bururi-ini ona kuria iharo-ini nginyagia hindi iyo athi na mbere na gukenerera tabarira cia Muthingi TV ni riakwa ageteka Wambui wa Njau.